Hi guys, I wanted to address a question that I'm getting a lot right now with rates being really low. Should I do a 15-year loan versus a 30? And it's a really good question, as there's a lot of thought leaders in the financial industry out there that are telling people they should do a 15-year if they can. Couple things to think about. The first thing is, are you in your long-term or forever home? Because if you're not, what you have to understand is when doing a 15-year mortgage, the majority of your payment for almost half of the loan is going to be going to interest. And so you really don't see the big chunks of principal paying that loan down until further into the loan. And so if there's any chance that this is a 5-year house for you and you guys may grow your family, and there may be a time in 3 to 5 years plus where this current home doesn't meet the needs you might have later down the road, you might consider staying in a 30-year. The other thing to think about is, are you looking at retirement in the next 10 to 15 years? Because if that's the case, most people that are going into retirement are going to be receiving less income than they are getting in their working years. So getting rid of that housing expense is certainly going to make it easier for them to enter into that retirement phase of life. If you're not thinking about retirement and you're just thinking it's a good idea in general, are there better alternatives to taking those extra dollars and putting them into investments such as a 401k? Do you have a pre-tax 401k or IRA with your employer? And if you do, are you maxing that out and taking advantage of the tax deduction on that money, plus the rate of growth that most of those investments have over time? It is proven that most of those investment opportunities are going to be a much better investment for you than paying your loan off faster. And so just think about those things when looking at a 15-year mortgage. I know those interest rates look amazing, and it's exciting to say I got a rate in the twos, but unless you're actually going to pay that house off because you're going to stay there long term and you're looking at retirement, it may not be the best option for you.